We are taught that reality consists of what we can physically touch, measure, and see. However, a growing community of researchers and holistic scientists suggests this material world is merely the visible result of an underlying invisible energy matrix. This theory prompts a specific technical question. How does a formless vibration or frequency traveling through space actually manifests as a physical, repeating pattern? This investigation was the primary focus of the Masters of the Net in ancient Egypt, a lineage of guardians who specialized in decoding the energetic structures of the world. They believed that by mapping this hidden grid, a person could bypass physical limitations and access the higher energetic blueprints that govern our existence. To ignore these underlying patterns is to move blindly through a world built on a specific geometric software. In sacred geometry, space is viewed as a highly organized structure rather than an empty void. When a frequency interacts with this structure, the vibration crystallizes into a rigid three-dimensional form, a phenomenon often described as frozen sound. This physical transition from frequency to form was studied extensively by Greek philosophers like Plato and Pythagoras. As seen in this manuscript's margin, the study of sacred geometry begins with precise two-dimensional forms. From these fundamental circles and polygons, ancient mathematicians extrapolated the 5 perfect three-dimensional shapes, the Platonic solids, the tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron. Plato linked these 5 configurations to the essential elements of the natural world: fire, earth, air, ether, and water. The presence of these specific mathematical blocks across different scales of nature indicates a highly organized structure underlying the physical world. These fundamental shapes scale upward, nesting within one another to create the larger architecture of the universe. This diagram reflects the historical belief that specific distances and orbits of celestial bodies are dictated by these nested geometric relationships. This is Metatron's cube, a 13-circle template serving as a nexus for creation. Tracing its internal lines reveals the tetrahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron. All 5 foundational solids exist within this single pattern. Because geometry is the physical expression of frequency, practitioners apply these same patterns to the human body. They view our internal energy centers, such as meridians and chakras, as a biological grid that mirrors the universal one. The goal of this alignment is to allow energy to flow through the body without resistance. Sustaining this geometric equilibrium is what leads to the reports of profound physical healing and internal stability. Sacred geometry is used as a functional interface for personal transformation. Dr. Robert J. Gilbert has developed modern applications for these ancient concepts, bridging the gap between theoretical geometry and the human energy field. His foundational method is the gold triangle practice, which refers to the grid of life design. In this visualization, a golden triangle aligns over the body's central energy nodes, allowing practitioners to consciously engage with surrounding invisible structures. As it stabilizes, it acts as a harmonic reset for the biofield, leading to deep, embodied states where this energy grid becomes perceptible. This research provides a specific framework for individuals to stabilize their own subtle energy bodies and maintain their equilibrium. By learning this geometric alphabet, we shift from passive observers to individuals who can consciously harmonize our energy with the patterns that structure the universe.